Hey everyone, it's Kelly Donahue-Piro here with another HubSpot tip. So I'm super excited to deliver this one because I think it's something everyone can really use. So without further ado, we're going to share the screen so you guys can see. So if you go to your marketing section inside of HubSpot, you can go ahead here on the marketing dashboard. There's all these reports you can go ahead and customize, which I think is pretty epic. And what you can do is go ahead and add this returning contacts report. So what's cool about the returning contacts report is it shows you who's kind of stalking your website. This report's excellent for anybody who's done the hard work of building a database, and now you can kind of capitalize on it. So if you take a look, Saul Sasha has gone to my website 70 times. So he might be somebody we want to reach out to. What's he going on? He hasn't reached out to us, so it's time for us to really go for it, right? And it kind of helps organize it all. I think it's pretty awesome. You can actually go ahead and edit your report settings. So we filtered out any customers, other evangelists of the company. So we're really just looking for people that have been going to our site. And it's nice because it categorizes them from the top to the bottom. So we can go ahead and see our most loyal people that are going after our content. So it's time for us to reach out to them. So I just think this is a great report for everybody to utilize, especially if you're using HubSpot, you've been using HubSpot for a while, have a good database, no time like the present then to get these opportunities to sign off to a salesperson to start reaching out to. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Next week, we're going to talk a little bit about how to listen to recorded phone calls in HubSpot. So you can click to call from HubSpot, which means that you can listen to some recorded phone calls for sales coaching. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.